My favorite is food, noodle and chicken. I like to drink green tea. I live in Langu. I like color pink and black.
Wow! 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 Wow!
I like to play
Wow!
volleyball and boxing.
Uh-oh.
I want to be nerd because I go to third people and follow my dream.